explosive and bright. Every flickering flame carries dreams in the night. With each gentle whisper of the night's cool air, I find solace in stillness. There's magic everywhere. Such simple pleasures, the beauty of life unfolds in the dance of the shadows, all the secrets it holds. So let's wander together, take the time to explore all my favorite places where our hearts will truly soar. In the serenity of the moment, where I never feel alone, in the beauty of the wild, I found where I belong. Oh, let's take a stroll, let it ease our mind, through fields of wildflowers, feeling our hearts unwind. God's creation is beautiful, every color, every shade, motion in harmony, the earth's perfection will never fade. Savoring each heartbeat under the vast wide skies, in perfect harmony with nature, loving us as it guides. Each heart beating under the vast wide skies, perfect harmony with nature, loving us as it guides.